Hey guys, it's your girl Toya the Esthetician, and I am back with another video. Okay guys, so you guys have been asking, well, some people have been asking what are the pros and cons to being a Maryland waxer? Sips tea, child, sips tea. Okay, so I'm going to just give you guys like 5 tips, 5 pros, 5 cons from my experience. Every esthetician has their own experience, but this is just from my experience. So I wrote everything in my notes on my phone, and I'm just going to go through the pros first, and then we'll talk about the cons. So let's just get right into the video. Okay guys, so the first pro about being a Maryland waxer is that you get to learn about different products and how they can be beneficial for your skin for before and after care. So for instance, you guys know I use Miss Siri a lot. Y'all know Miss Siri, baby, Miss Siri. I use Miss Siri and Fur Cosmetics a lot. You kind of have to learn about before and after care because you have so many different clients, like all shapes, sizes, body types. So with you learning about different products, you're learning like, okay, well, this would be good for this client, this would be good for this client should maybe use these pads or maybe use this. And that being said is because everyone's body reacts to waxing differently. So like some clients may experience ingrowns, some clients may not. So that's just like you learning every different product because, or the products that you like, and seeing the result that it gives for your personal clients. And for my clients, using Fur has been work wonders. Like I haven't heard like any bad like review about it. And honestly, when your clients are doing good with a product, they're not really going to hit you up. But when they're doing bad, oh, they're going to call you. They're going to hit you up. And they're going to be like, yo, this product isn't working. What can I do? And, you know, move forward. So, yeah, that's one of the pros. The second pro about being a waxer is that if you're a solo waxer, so this is the second one. If you're a solo waxer, you make your own hours and income. So with that being said, you work on your time. So if you're available from 10 to 6, you're working 10 to 6 every day, 2 to 5, 1 hour each day. You know, like it's really up to you because you're your own boss. So that's like a big pro. And you make your own income. So say if you know that you're only working 2 days a week and you're like, oh my God, I have to make $250 a week. Oh my God, but I have to see at least 7 clients, you know, depending on how much your Brazilians, your leg wax, your underarm wax cost. So with that being said, that will be like, you know, a pro to being a waxer, and then you making your own income. So that's like really good. Like who doesn't want to make their own shebang? Shebang, shebang. Okay, number 3 is your clients become like your best friends. So with that being said, like yes, there are some clients that want to get like do everything with you, and sometimes you have to leave work and your personal life separate. Sometimes you can't sit here and express to your clients, oh well, yesterday night me and my boyfriend got into it, but tomorrow we're back again. Like no. You cannot like combine the two. It's good to leave work separate, your work business separate, and your personal life separate. Just because yes, clients do become your best friends, and some do, but for your business sake, it's just better to keep things on a business aspect with your clients. Of course, you can be friendly and be a friend to them and open air, but when it comes to your personal life, baby, keep it to yourself. a little bit, you know. But yeah, so that's like a big pro. Like yes, like if you didn't have friends before, like your clients definitely become your friends because you will talk to them, they will support you, they will tell everyone about your brand, they will have your business grow quick in a hurry. So I really do like that. And then I work a lot with college students too, so it's like I get to like see everyone's different point of view, and you know, like how college life is still going, because I've been out of college for about 2 years now, like in-person college right now. Y'all know I got my master's degree, but yeah, so I just feel like that's just a pro of being a waxer. The fourth one about being a waxer is that you can collaborate with different brands. So for instance, you can collaborate with Star Pale, Idol Wax, Miss Siri. So there's so many different brands that you can collab with, and you know, it helps you put your business out there. It helps you like learn about the products. It helps you learn like, okay, what's in this wax? Like, is this wax good for my clients? Is it, you know, beneficial for my clients? Like, do I get the technique of the, you know, wax? Like, and you get to try it out. So a lot of times with these brands, when you are a waxer or esthetician, all you have to do is sign up on their business page with your license number, and they'll send you free samples all the time. So who doesn't want free samples? Like but yeah, they'll send you free samples. They'll definitely want your opinion, because we are the consumer of their products and we order from them constantly. Without wax, our business isn't flowing, you know what I'm saying? So it's just like, it's cool to be a waxer, because you get to experience all these different brands out there, and you get to experience which brand you like the most. So that was pretty cool, because I was able to work with like 6 different brands until I'm with the brand that I'm with today, which is Miss Siri, which I love, 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 guys. Like, you guys know, like, you guys know, you see my channel. But yeah,
I'm not sure I understand.
Oh my god, not the Apple Watch. But yeah, so that's very important. And then my last pro will be, you get to learn how to speed wax. So the cool thing about being a waxer is that when you first start off, you learn basic waxing. So you'll learn the first technique, you'll learn how to pull at the hair growth, you'll learn the wax pattern. But once you become a consistent waxer, there comes a time where you can lay about 4 strips at one time and speed wax your wax, and you can make it as comfortable as you can for your client once you learn that technique that you have. So with that being said, becoming a speed waxer helps you bring in more clientele, make more revenue, and teach others. So you can teach others your technique, you can bring in more clients daily, because you know you'll be in and out with them really quickly and effectively. Quickly and effectively, don't forget, quickly and effectively. And then you get to learn like how to, you know, bring in more clients and just do them at a quicker pace. So that was another pro. All right, guys, so now let's get into the cons. Okay, so the cons about being a waxer. So there isn't too many. I'm gonna actually niche this down to 3 instead of 5. But one con as a beginner waxer is self-doubt and not going at a fast enough speed. So when I used to work at European Wax Center, that was my first wax job ever. Girl, guys, I was slow. I would literally wax for the 30 minutes. Like, they'll give us 30 minutes per client, and I would literally finish in 30 minutes. I really wasn't like confident in my technique, but the more you practice it, it's true. You end up going faster. You end up learning other people's hair growths, especially if they're a returning client. You kind of like remember like how their hair growth is, you know, so you kind of know the pattern on how already, like how to pull. So that was like, you know, a process for me, but I just stayed at EWC for 2 years, and I learned. So that was like one of the cons that I had. Number 2, I had to find out which wax company was more, I had to find out, how can I put this? Okay, so I had to find out like what wax company I really liked, because some clients were sensitive to certain waxes. So there are certain wax companies that weren't beneficial for my clientele. And it's true. There are some waxes out there that I don't think you guys should always get like the cheaper wax, because, or the wax on Amazon. Not saying all wax on Amazon is bad, but easy accessible wax kind of can give a little quicker irritation to clients. So I definitely want to say I had to learn to research my wax and really see which wax I really like. And I also use the wax on me as well. So that was like, took me a little time. I would say it took me about 3.5 months to 4 months to really figure out like, okay, my clients are good with this brand. I don't have no complaints. We all right. You know, like, yeah. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the last con I would definitely say about being a waxer is, I'm going to put it as a solo esthetician. With being a solo esthetician, you have to grind like crazy. You have to hustle. You have to bleed, sweat, and sleep and eat your brand. So you have to like literally market yourself a lot, and it can get discouraging because it doesn't move at a fast pace. But honestly, keep going, because people are watching you. Like, they're literally on your page watching you and you don't even know. Like, I had someone watch me for 7 months straight, guys. 7 months. She didn't book me. She didn't do anything. She watched my page for 7 months, and then she finally booked me and was like, you know what? Let me give her a chance. So it's like, there are people watching you and you shouldn't give up, but it's hard. So get a boss group, get a mentor, find some motivation in what you love. And once you find that motivation in what you love and why you started to be a solo waxer, like, everything's gonna fall in place. Like, just have faith, believe in your brand, and just talk to people. Like, I talk to a lot of other SDs, because y'all know me, I'm collaboration queen. Like, I love to collab. That was how I made my biggest money maker in a day. So I don't know, find your niche, keep going, don't give up, find different marketing tactics. Graphics is very important. So for those that want to create their content on their own, if you're good at it, that's good too, but get a professional graphic designer so your platform can look really professional. But yeah, that was only the 3 cons that I have, because there's not really that many cons to being a waxer, honestly. Like, it has a lot of great benefits, and if this is something that you're considering, you should definitely go ahead and do that. So with that being said, guys, I hope this answers some of you guys' questions. If you guys want me to go more in depth about it, let me know, and I'll see you soon. We are logging out. Bye, guys.